Hello everyone, I'm Cici working at Second. Glad to see you again. In this video, I'm going to introduce one of our popular car stereos to you. This is H7625 new receiver. It's a double-decker audio system that can fit for 2008 to 2011 Nissan Tiida LHD. It has 9.7-inch touchscreen display, which is very similar to the one you find on your iPhone. With a large screen acting as your receiver's display, you can easily see who's calling, what's playing, and where you're going. This unit has a purse of brand name touchscreen stereos, but comes at a very cheap price. Users can play music via phone, make phone calls, and watch videos. Built-in 8-core CPU and large memory, this unit can also support for the latest Android 10 system and always has good performance than you can imagine. During your driving time, you can download many different apps and get rid of boredom. If you are into different sound effects, this radio has 36 EQ DSP settings to ensure that you can freely adjust different tones of sounds and change its frequency to get a high-quality sound experience. Another fact that I have to mention is that it is built in Carplay and Android Auto, so you can remain connected throughout your journey via text or call. You can use Apple Maps for navigation purpose, listen to your favorite playlists, and even enjoy some audiobooks. In a word, this receiver is a fantastic option for you to consider. Moreover, it is integrated high-sensitive radio IC with good reception, support worldwide radio channel reception. RDS standard include from some European countries, ensuring you can listen various broadcasts such as news and history, scientific things, and more, which can meet your interest. As far as I am concerned, I love this new unit because it has one of the most powerful functions, which is that it can support 360 camera. With this camera connected, I can reverse and drive without that engine. Another impressive function is that it is built with 4G model. With 4G model, you can easily get access to internet in your car. The availability of the latest 4G network makes you enjoy the fastest connection to the internet that you have ever had. When you want to spend your hard-earned money on something high-end, you need to make sure that it is loaded with all the top-class features. So if you don't want to live in doubt, pick this one. And if you want to own a versatile car stereo, at least it won't disappoint you. Alright. If you still have any questions about this receiver, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we will respond you at once. Thanks for watching. See you next time.